Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, let's take a look at the Bitcoin market. So on Bitcoin, let's focus on just short-term perspective because in the longer term it's still a lot of questions what could happen. Currently guys, we need to take into consideration two moments. On the picture, on the chart, we have definitely bullish sign because here is definitely signs of the bullish dynamic pressure because take a look, trend has turned bearish. The price action is not. It's forming high lows and moving right to the top. This recent consolidation within the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 2 weeks in a row stands tight below the lows. This is not the way how market usually turns down. It means that breakout of this top will happen. Currently, it's the question what the breakout will be. Whether this will be real upward continuation or it will be just wash and rinse and then start to drop, downside retracement. Well, of course, we can't predict definitely, but based on the moments that we see right now, it seems that wash and rinse, just grabbing stops above the 10 even area, is more probable by two reasons. First of all, if you remember, the action on Monday was positive due to the news on vaccine positive tests from the Moderna company. And on that background, as the stock market and other markets has rallied across the board. But this positive sentiment is fading down, and it has happened very fast. So usually when some long-lasting effect on the good news, and especially when they have really significant decisive moment for the markets, it lasts for a few sessions or even weeks. So within the 3-4 sessions at least, market usually stands in rally and running, and if something really valuable has happened. But here we do not see this. We see the fast effect. That's already actually is faded. That's first moment. The same story on the stock market. Second moment that we need to in consideration here on the Bitcoin is that take a look, the hash rate starts to drop. Hash rate is dropping, and usually when the hash rate starts dropping, you can see what has happened here. This makes the negative impact on the Bitcoin market. In that background and the two moments, I would suggest here could be the wash and rinse here, some drop, breakout, but also it's really big chance that we'll see a fast return right back down. So that's at least we should worry about. If you have long position or consider taking the long position, do not set for yourself too extended targets. Or at least if you do not want to close on your standing target, move your stops to the break-even and just watch the movie. That's my advice to currently on the Bitcoin situation. It means that on the 4-hour time frame chart, potentially, we could get the butterfly, guys. That's more extended target. I'm not sure that's definitely we will get precisely the target of the butterfly because it will be probably rather extended. Let's just take a look. Right. Anyway, it's because 1050. Well, for a daily chart, maybe it's acceptable. So theoretically, we could get the butterfly target here. 27. 1060. Why not? This is possible. It's not really too far. We'll take a look at the daily. 1060. Well, if some stops will be grabbed, right. So it might be. Besides, take a look at this. 1060 will be also above this area. That could be additional stops could be triggered. So maybe here this could be more extended target. But anyway, whatever target will be, maybe even it could follow above the 1060 to the 1618 butterfly. It's also possible, but anyway, I suggest that upside potential will be limited. And if more extended target will be hit on the Bitcoin, that's what will be due technical moment that the stop market mechanics and stops will be triggered or something of that sort, not but changing of the fundamental background. That's that you should keep an eye on and be worried about. So here's our suggestion. On the intraday charts, well, take a look what we have from the hourly. This patch we do not need anymore. We're dealing currently with cup and a handle pattern. You can see our suggestion on the 618 retracement was accurate. Market indeed stands here. So if you're taking position on the 618 support, you could move start to break even and see what will happen. Because if market will start to dropping below these lows and dropping below the cap bottom, well, that could break the idea, because on the daily chart, as we said, market is forming high lows. And if market will start to form lower lows, it just will break the idea of the dynamic pressure existing. So that's our view on the Bitcoin market currently. So no shorts by far, because no bearish signs exist. If you're keeping longs based on these patterns, you just could keep them, but do not forget managing your stops and control the standing of the market above the 95 area. Targets could be different. First target 1060, but it could be more extended because 1060 stands above the top on the daily chart as well. I mean this top. And here could be additional stops, could push price even higher to the 161 butterfly target, maybe something of that sort. So just keep nose to the wind and see what will happen.